so much to learn about. It'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
I was just acting like a T-Rex. Hey, it's me, Blippi. I'm not a T-Rex, but I think you and I should draw a T-Rex together. Whoa! T-Rexes are so cool. They lived such a long time ago, and they're so fierce. All right, to draw a T-Rex, I'm gonna take this purple marker and draw the start of a rectangle, but I'm not gonna complete it. Then I'm gonna draw the start of a triangle. There we go. And I won't complete that either. And that's the tail and that's the head. Then we need to draw the leg and the foot with some curved lines. There we go. Whoa! Then connect that. And now we need two little arms. So cute. One right there and one right there. Oh, that's okay. There we go. And two claws on each arm. Now let's draw a circle for the eye and a smiley face. And let's draw some spikes down its back. Whoa! If you want to draw more with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye.
Hey, it's me, Blippi Bunny.
Just kidding, it's me, Blippi, and I was just acting like a bunny. Hey, why don't we draw a bunny together today? Wow, I love bunnies. They are so cute and fluffy. All right, let's draw the head. There we go, nice circle. Ooh, and let's draw the ears. They have big, tall ears. Yeah, there we go. Whoa, and now let's draw the face. Two circles for the eyes. Ooh, a circle for the nose. Oh, and then down here, yeah, let's draw the buck teeth. There we go. And speaking of buck, yeah, an adult male is called a buck. Yeah, an adult female bunny is called a doe, and a child is called a kit. Isn't that cute? Whoa. All right, let's draw on the eyes. There we go. Can't forget about the big whiskers. There we go! So cute. Well, if you want to keep drawing with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. See you again. Bye-bye. Hey, it's me, Blippi. Do you see me? Yeah. Do you see how I'm wearing glasses? Why don't we draw my glasses together? Yeah! All right, they're pretty hard to draw, but I think you got this. First, let's start with a long straight line. There we go, for the top. And then two bubbles, half circles. There we go. Perfect. And then you have to draw the arms. Yeah, that's what holds them onto your face, your ears. All right, there we go, a little hook. Perfect, and then one over here. Whoa, wow, don't those look good? Yeah, well, since they're my glasses, maybe we can color them in with orange. Woohoo! All right, there we go. Whoa, I love drawing and coloring, and I love my glasses. Whoa, well, this is the end of this video, and if you want to keep drawing with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. See you again. Bye-bye. Hey, it's me, Blippi, and I think we should draw a panda together. Since pandas are black and white, and the paper is white, I'm gonna grab a black marker, and I'm gonna draw a circle for the head. Whoa! And then a circle for the body. Kind of like that, yeah. And then an arched line up there and another one, yeah, for the ears. And then a leg down here, which is a curved line. Ooh, and another leg down there. Ooh, and you can't forget about the arms. They're gonna go inside, like sideways U's. Whoa! And then we're gonna draw some eyes, which are black circles. Ooh, a cute nose and a smiley face. All right, now we get to color them in. Here we go. All right, there's one arm. Color that one in. Perfect. And then a leg, another leg, And you can't forget about the ears. Wow, if you like pandas and love drawing with me and want to draw some more, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Yeah, ready? B-L-I-P-P-I, Blippi. All right, see you again, bye-bye. Hey, it's me, Blippi. Have you ever wanted to be an astronaut and go into outer space? Yeah, me too. Maybe you and I should draw a rocket ship together. Well, let's use the color purple. Yeah, rocket ships are how astronauts get into outer space. So let's draw a point right up top. Looks like the start of a triangle, right? And then these two lines go straight down. And if you connected right there and right there, which we won't, that would be a rectangle. Instead, we're gonna draw a circle for the porthole. All right, let's draw a really small rectangle down here. There we go. And then we need some fins. Yeah, a couple straight lines just like that. Whoa, this rocket looks fast, doesn't it? And then a straight line right there to make another rectangle. Ooh, some dots. Yeah, for some bolts, so it stays all connected. And then some flames. Yeah! Whoa! Wasn't that so much fun? Wow! If you want to draw more with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Yeah! Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I, Blippi. All right, see you again. Oh, hey, it's me, Blippi, and I'm really tired. Wait a second, why don't we draw a bed together? That sounds like fun. Yeah, I love going to bed because I have sweet, nice dreams. All right, let's draw a blue bed. All right, first, let's start to draw a big rectangle. Yeah, and I'm gonna make a little gap right there, and I'll show you why. You see that? But first, we need some pillows. Yeah, you need to have something to lay your head on, and these pillows are rectangles. Yeah, just like that. And watch this trick. Whoa! Looks like when you go like this, yeah, it looks like those are the blankies. But if you do a little line like that, and then match that squiggle, now it looks like you folded back the covers and made your bed. Whoa! Well, if you love drawing with me and want to draw some more, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Yeah! B-L-I-P-P-I, Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye. Hey, it's me, Blippi. And you know what we're drawing today? Yeah, a bulldozer. Yeah, I love bulldozers. They're so big and heavy, and they push with that front blade anything and everything out of its way. All right, let's use the color orange. A lot of pieces of construction vehicles, yeah, are the color orange. All right, so let's draw a line right here, a 90-degree angle. Whoa, and then another line, and down. Whoa, what does that look like? Yeah, looks like a backwards L. This is where the engine is, and that's where the operator sits. You need to give them a square for a window so then they can see. And then, does a bulldozer have wheels and tires or tracks? Yeah, tracks. So let's draw a very, very big oval. Wow, there we go. Yeah, and then we need to draw the blade. Whoa, kind of looks like a moon, doesn't it? And then we need to connect that just like that. And now that looks like a bulldozer, but you can't forget about the ripper. Whoa, cool. Well, if you love drawing with me and you want to draw some more, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I, Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye.
Come on, everyone, let's make learning fun. Blippi, Blippi. So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout.